fall is only a few days away and birds are beginning to fly south this month, which means it's an important time to offer them food. And today we're joined by horticulturist Heather O'Brien, who's going to offer us a few ways to naturally feed seed-eating birds. Thanks so much for coming in.
Yes, I love it every time.
And something that I don't think about is feeding the birds, which is really sad, and I should think about that more.
Sure. I mean, birds bring us lots of benefits. I mean, they help pollinate plants, they distribute seeds so that other plants can come up later, and they bring us a sense of nature, even if we just have our windows open.
Awesome. Okay, so the first tip that you have is leave the seed heads up. What does that mean?
Well, on certain plants, like this is coneflower or echinacea, black-eyed Susans, Shasta daisies, they have seed heads after they've bloomed. If you leave them up here, you'll get goldfinches galore visiting them and taking these little seeds off, which I'm going to take some off and give them to you.
Okay.
These are the seeds.
Okay, so
There's
this is
so many of them.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And it's so weird because usually when you think flowers, you're like, oh, I don't want to have anything brown. I want the colors, but it's the birds that will bring the
color.
colors,
Exactly. You can actually have an extra little pop of color in the fall by leaving them up because you'll get colorful birds on the plants.
Absolutely.
So.
Now, the next tip that you have, bushes with berries.
Yes.
I feel like makes sense.
There are some birds that don't like to eat necessarily just seeds, but they like a little flesh with them, so they prefer berries.
Okay.
So holly bushes, of course, have berries, and birds love them. A plant called cotoneaster is a really good one. That's a good picture of it. And there's a really pretty plant called beautyberry that has purple berries, and it's a really gorgeous American native that birds will eat. And the good thing is that it doesn't have a huge seed, so they're not going to make a huge mess.
Okay, and I feel like once again, normally when you think of planting and you think of the colors, you always think of the flowers.
Right.
But the berries are also providing that color and bringing in the birds.
Yeah.
Making me think outside the box. Now, the final tip you have is filling bird feeders that attract the birds you want to see. So you can actually, you know, pick out the birds you want, figure out what they like, and then you bring them to you.
You got it.
Okay.
The only thing that I would say is if you're using a bird feeder from last year, make sure to clean it in a bleach and water solution.
Okay.
Virginia Tech just recently did a study and found that there are some birds that are catching diseases from old, unclean bird feeders. So if you're gonna feed your birds with seed feeders, make sure to clean them really good.
Clean it out or get a new one.
Yes.
Great. Thank you so much. These are great tips. Now, if somebody wants to find out more about you, look up some more stuff, what's your website?
Thatgardengirl.com.
Thatgardengirl.com. Awesome. Well, we'll have a link to that and also a recap of this segment. If you want it, just head to our website, which is daytimeblueridge.com.